Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. I am Neha Singh, your SST teacher. Students, as you know, we were discussing chapter number 6 in SST in history. Till now, we have learned about the different towns and all that, the Janpadas, the Mahajanpadas. Today, we will take the most famous Mahajanpada, Magad. So today let us study about the place Magad. This was the area, the Magad part in India, this as it is shown in the picture. So what was all about Magad? If you will go through the chapter, you will come to know that Magad was one of the most important Mahajanpada that time, because it had some lands, they were in the forest. Most of the part was forested. And what was the use of that forested? How the people were making use from that forest was that there were elephants in the forest. As we know that animals live in forest. In Magad, in the forest part, elephants were there, and what happened? The people captured them and they trained them how to fight in the wars. The elephants were used during the wars to attack the enemies. You must have seen some pictures or videos of the earlier wars. The second thing, the forests were useful because the people were getting wood from there. They were making chariots from them. They were making houses from the wood. Children, not only wood, people were also getting some minerals also from there. Iron ore from the ground, from the some part of Magad. And that was a very helpful thing because they were making strong weapons and many other things with the help of iron ore. Because with the help of iron, they were able to make strong weapons that can be used during the wars. The other thing to remember is that the capital of Magad was Rajagarh, that was in Bihar. Nowadays it is known as Rajgir. But after some years it was shifted to Patliputra. Nowadays Patliputra is known as Patna, that is in Bihar. Children, when you will go through more chapters, more pages in the book, you will come across a word Alexander. I know you must have heard about Alexander. Let me tell you what is according to your book. Children, Alexander was a person who wanted to conquer the whole world. But as you know, it's not possible. He didn't conquer the whole world, but he conquered some part of the Egypt and East Asia. Now, moving towards India, through the subcontinents, when he came through near the sea route and wanted to enter the India, they got scared. He and his army, the people, the soldiers got scared. Do you know the reason why they got scared? The reason was that they came to know that The Indian rulers, the Indian kings have huge army, huge manpower. They use strong weapons. They use elephants during the wars. Overall, it meant that India had the rulers which were having strong armies, strong people, and it was not easy to defeat Indian rulers' army. So they got scared and they went back. When you will go through the chapter, after Magad you will learn about the place Vaji. What happened? You can see in the map. Children, what happened? Magad became very powerful place. So Vaji, the capital with its capital in Bihar, was ruling under a different kind of government by the Sanghs and the Ganas. Now you must be thinking what was different in that. The different in the Vaji was that there were many rulers, thousands of rulers, and each ruler was known as a Raja. Now you must be thinking what they were doing, why so many Rajas were there. All were known as Rajas, and at times they all together assembled. They performed the rituals together and did many other things together. The most important thing to be remembered is that even then, that time also, women were not allowed to participate in any kind of rituals. Women were banned in participation. There was no role of women in the rituals. Only the Rajas, many Rajas all together performed this ritual. So students, I hope you have understood the topic. Please go through the chapter from the first page till Vaji. You will understand about the Mahajanpada and Janpads term. Go through your worksheets, read the points to be remembered, underline in your book, and ask questions if any query in the live classes. Children, for chapter number 7 with a new topic, we will meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.